production.
Awesome. Well, happy Monday, everybody. I'm excited that we have a new executive director, actually a bronze executive director, on the line with us today. She went out and wrote $2,100 in premium this month. Miss Lois Threlkeld, I do believe she is in Hawaii. So Lois, I don't know if you can come on the line or not and say hello, but welcome to the Executive Director Call.
Congratulations.
Woohoo!
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Welcome to the team.
Congratulations.
Yay, Lois. Can you unmute Lois or not? She might not can. So we'll give you a chance later if you can unmute later. Just oh, there she is.
Aloha, everybody.
In Hawaii, 6 a.m.
Great.
Ooh, it's almost 6 o'clock.
So proud of you. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, buddy.
Hey.
Anything you want to share with us, Lois, about your $2,100 in premium? I know it's a crazy story, but anything you want to share before we kick the call off here?
Stick and stay, you'll get your pay, I guess. I don't know. Hit the work. Every day. ED is every day, and bronze ED is everyday capital.
Every day in all caps.
Exactly.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations. $2,100 in personal premium is incredible. Congratulations to you and Amy. And thank you for hopping on, although you're out in Hawaii at your second home, having a wonderful time. So we celebrate you, congratulate you, and welcome to the inner circle of the executive directors. Excited to have you here. First time bronze. First time.
Thank you so much. Yeah, what a great circle to be in. I appreciate you all being here.
Absolutely. Thank you, Lois. All right, Mr. Brian Carruthers, I'll turn it back over to you.
Absolutely. Lois, congratulations. Great seeing you, and wish I was where you are. I don't know if you would trade places with me in Virginia, but congrats on being a part of this executive director inner circle here with us on Mondays at this time. We'll look forward to having you be a familiar face with us. Appreciate you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Absolutely. Before I kick the call off, I've got two hands that are up. We got Liz LeCue, and then we'll go out to Nancy Chaconis.
Yes, I just want to praise my sister from another Mr. Lois. I'm so proud of you, Lois. I've watched Lois grow here in Southern California, and when the pandemic started, she volunteered to run our daily power hour, and it is still going, and she runs it 7 days a week, Sunday through Saturday at 10 a.m. Pacific every day, and her thing is ED stands for every day. You deserve this, Lois. Congratulations to you and Amy. We love you.
Thank you so much. Mahalo.
I love it. Nancy Chaconis. Thank you, Liz.
Yes. Well, Lois, I've known you since you were a child, it seems. And I just love seeing your I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. And Mara wanted me to relay to everybody. It's kind of a sad day for her. That's why she's not here. She has to take her 16-year-old dog, her beloved dog, to the vet, and it's kind of time to say goodbye. So